Hey guys, welcome back to Girls with the Curls. I'm so excited because today we'll be showing you how to do this cute and adorable hairstyle. We are doing 2 braids today and adding beads to make the look just that much more cuter. If you do not already have a cute St. Patrick's Day hairstyle planned, then you're gonna wanna see what we have in store for you at the end of this video. All right, without further ado, let's get started on today's tutorial. Hey, are you guys looking for cute and adorable hairstyles for your mixed race child? Well, you've come to the right place. Girls with the Curls gives you tips, tricks, and tutorials on how to do your child's hairstyles. So make sure you subscribe and click on the notification bell. That way you'll be notified when we come out with our videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays. To start this hairstyle, you want to ponytail off the bottom portion of the hair. Go ahead and make a line from the back of the ear to the other side of the back of the ear. Once you have the hair section off in the back, go ahead and tie it off, and we will not be styling this portion of the hair in today's tutorial. I made sure to detangle prior to this process. I also washed and conditioned the girl's hair the night before. That way we'd be working with a clean slate. To start this hairstyle, you want to go ahead and make a part. Now, it's your choice whether you want to part the hair straight down the middle or choose to part it at an angle or off to the side. In this case, I went ahead and parted it off to the side. I put a straight line and tied half of the hair out of the way. From there, I worked on one side at a time, and I was anxious to see how long this hairstyle would last. It actually lasts for 7 days, which is amazing. I'm happy with that. I could have it down for the first few days, and then I was able to put it in ponytails and just add cute little accessories throughout the week to change up the look. If you have a rat tail comb, this is the best option for creating straight lines. And believe me when I say this, take the time to get these lines as straight as possible. Putting the extra time and effort in at the beginning is definitely going to pay off when you have the completed look and there are straight, nice, clean lines. After you have created your part and you've tied off one side, go ahead and make a U shape or a C shape, starting from the back of the head all the way down the side and right to the back of the ear. Now this needs to be about a 1/2 inch to 1 inch wide, depending on how thick you want your braid to be. From there, just go ahead and clip the rest of the hair out of the way. Now, if you're not sure how to French braid, be sure to check out this video here where I teach you step by step on how to complete a Dutch French braid. Also included in this video are 5 must-know tips on how to detangle curly hair. Now that we've got the hair portioned off to the way that we want it, we're gonna go ahead and start a inverted French braid. To start the French braid, just go ahead and make a few regular braids with 3 strands of the hair at the top. From there, you'll just start grabbing in pieces of hair to create the Dutch French braid. I like to use smaller pieces because this is a rather small French braid and it will hold a lot more nicely. You want to add a pomade or a ponytail edging cream or gel to the hair prior to doing the braid. This will allow the braid to last longer and just give you a cleaner look in the end. Once you've done one side of the braid, you'll go ahead and repeat the same process on the other side. So on day 2, I actually redid this braid. I wanted to add extra styling gel so it would hold much more nicely. Also, if you're new at braiding, this is actually a great way to practice. If you have maybe 10 braids, I wouldn't suggest using this method, but if you do want to practice your braiding, go ahead and put 1 or 2 braids in and then let it sit for a while, and the hair will actually start to form the pattern of the braid. And then once you remove the braid, go ahead and re-braid the hair again, and the braid will fall nicely into place because it's already been braided into that pattern, and the braid will actually come out a lot neater the second time. So again, now I'll show you the right and the wrong way on how to insert beads. To insert the beads, go ahead and use this tool. I allowed Kirsten to pick out the colors and put the beads in a pattern that she was happy with. So this right here is the incorrect way to put in beads, so make sure you stay tuned to see the correct way on how to insert beads on braids. So let's go ahead and move on to showing you the correct way on inserting beads. From there, we strand the beads onto the beater. In this case, we used about 6 beads, but depending on how long your child's hair is and how many beads your beater holds, you can add more as you like. Once you have the beads on the tool, go ahead and insert the end piece of the braid into the hole. From there, fold the hair up onto itself, push all of the beads up, but leave 1 bead at the end of the braid. From there, flip up the end part of the hair and wrap a rubber band around several times. After that, you can go ahead and push the rest of the beads down to the bottom of the braid. Be sure to add extra edging cream or ponytail edging. I'll leave a link in the description below of some great edging products that you can use that will hold the style in place. This hairstyle is very versatile, and there's so many different great ways that you can style it. If you guys haven't already, make sure you check out our Facebook page, Girls with the Curls, where you can join our Facebook group that we give you insider insights. And only our Facebook group members will receive this extra information and resources on curly hair. So it's free. Just go ahead and request to join, and you'll be in our group. Make sure to also follow us on Instagram, where we post a lot of our cute pictures before the videos even hit YouTube. Lastly, if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. So our special announcement includes St. Patrick's Day, which is next week. Now this Saturday, we will be releasing 3 St. Patrick's Day hairstyles that you are not going to want to miss. You want your child to be dazzled up and looking her cutest for St. Patty's Day. And don't forget your green, because you will be pinched by that leprechaun. Thank you guys, I love you. Thank you for watching our channel. You are so great. I can't wait to see you on this Saturday, where we will premiere our special episode on our 3 top looks for St. Patrick's Day. See you on Saturday. Bye-bye.